Good morning, folks. We've got top science news in volcanoes and the magnetic reversal. We've got fire danger, Earth's magnetic connection to the sun, and more. But let's begin, as always, over at spaceweathernews.com. We're looking at the last 24 hours on our star and finding no sunspots, no solar flares, no eruptions. The GOES X-ray flux is currently flatlined. Earth is still in the stream from the departing coronal hole here. The solar wind speed is slightly variable but mostly stable, while plasma temperature and density are dropping out slowly. We're coming out of enhanced geomagnetic conditions and into calm. You'll recall that Earth was refusing to properly connect to that coronal hole but for the far southern reach. That does continue today, as one of the far side connections did jump to the departing opening, but the majority still prefer that connection at the south. Want to quickly go over some fire danger in the south central U.S. It is hitting extreme conditions today. Eyes open. Let's now go to our top stories. They have studied the continuous radio emission during volcanic eruptions and found that instead of this electromagnetic emission being driven by electric fields around the volcano, it is more likely to be the result of volcanic streamer discharges, like the one you see here at Mount Shinmodake, the release of stored energy. Up next, folks, the ionosphere is one of the primary electric interfaces between us and outer space. And over the coming years to decades, as Earth's magnetic field continues to weaken, this is what we'll see. Perhaps in light of the current scary trend in the magnetosphere, these scientists sought to determine how the ionosphere would react. And they determined that the primary conductance layer will shift higher, to where there's higher electron density. This has both positive and negative outlook effects during the magnetic reversal. We'll be going over those in a longer episode soon. We greatly appreciate your support. We've got your wind maps and shots of our star to close, including a nearly 90-degree temperature anomaly at the Galapagos Islands waters. We'll do this all again tomorrow, right here, but right now it's 5:15 a.m. in the new Valley of the Sun. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.